Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Crazy Crypto Cliff. Welcome back to the channel, man. I got another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but I promise y'all I am back in full effect, and I got a lot of valuable and useful content I'm going to be bringing to you guys, so look out for that. Today, I just want to talk to you guys about what's going on with Ethereum, man. But before we get into that, gotta give you a word from my sponsor. This video is brought to you by Moomoo Investing app, guys. So go ahead and download the Moomoo Investing app, guys, using the link in the description in this video. I'm gonna leave have the link down in the description for you guys. All right. The Moomoo Investing app, just to let you guys know, man, it's one of the best apps, or I think it's, in my opinion, it is the best app for trading stocks on the market, guys. They give you all kind of useful tools. You get all kind of inside knowledge. You get to see what the big dogs are betting on, so that way you can make better informed decisions about what stocks you want to trade in. Okay, if you go ahead and use my link in the description, you get 7 free fractional shares of the magnificent 7 stocks. That's your Googles, that's your Apple, that's Tesla, Nvidia, and things like that. Okay, so you're going to get really high quality stocks just for joining today and depositing $100 into your account. You're going to go ahead and get those shares. Okay, so that's our sponsors, guys. That's enough on that. What I was saying, guys, about Ethereum. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approves exchange applications to list spot Ether ETFs on Thursday, guys. So right here in this article, check this out. So it says the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday approved applications from NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, to list exchange-traded funds tied to the price of Ether, potentially paving the way for products to begin trading later this year. While the ETF issuers also have to get the green light before the products can launch, Thursday's approval is a major surprise win for those firms in the cryptocurrency industry, which until Monday had expected the SEC to reject the filings. But instead, they went ahead and approved it. So I think this is really, really good news for Ethereum, guys, and we're going to talk about this. So why do I feel like this is great news for Ethereum, guys? Because look, what this does right here, this paves the way now for the big institutions to now start to flood into cryptocurrency, and specifically Ethereum. This is something we've been waiting on for a few years now. Everybody that's in the crypto space has been waiting on this. We knew we needed regulations, before crypto was really going to take off and do what we all know it's going to do. So this is just another stepping stone that's been checked off the checklist. And we know this is what's gonna make crypto really just take off and just go crazy. So when is that gonna happen? And what does this mean for Ethereum, guys? Look, let's just take a look at the charts. Hey, all right, gang. So we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. Right now, it's currently sitting at $68,980. But you know how they say, when in doubt, zoom out. All right, so we're gonna take a look. What happened with Bitcoin when it got approved for its ETF, right? So that was on January 10th. Okay, so check this out. So January 10th, right here. This is when it got approved, and then the next day, it started. It was able to be traded, right? So what we see here, we see a little dip, right? So it went down for the next couple of days, and it went all the way down to $39,518, right? So yeah, it took a little dip. It didn't just explode right out the gate and go up right after the ETF listings and everything, right? So I think we're going to see something similar to that happen with Ethereum. I think we're going to see a slight dip next week when trading begins again. We might see a little dip for the next couple of days, because they still can't be traded yet. They still have a couple of more filings and everything that they have to do before the Ethereum ETFs can start trading, right? So when we look at Bitcoin, so it continued to slide for about 2 weeks. And then next thing you know, the money started to flood in, because the big institutional investors to start investing in this, and they got a way to do it. We see it exploded all the way to $72,125 since the ETF was approved. All right, so let's take a look and compare it with Ethereum during this time. Let's see. So is the orange lines that you see, and it actually you can see it. It followed Bitcoin pretty closely, right? So let's see, January 10th took a dip. Ethereum followed it, and we know that. So Ethereum normally follows Bitcoin, and you see, it's pretty much the same exact pattern, right? And then you see Ethereum did take a big dip here. All right. But I think what we can see happen this time is, Ethereum is going to take off here in the next month or so. And you're going to see Bitcoin kind of follow Ethereum's momentum a little bit as well. So we're going to take a look at Ethereum right now, and take a look at what happened with it. So we see right here on May 20th, you see a huge spike. It went from $3,000 all the way up to like 3,700, right? So I think this was around the time when Coinbase came out with the story, as far as saying that it was looking more likely that the SEC was going to approve the ETFs, right? So people already were getting antsy and getting excited about what was happening, right? So a lot of people invested, and we see Ethereum go on the rise right there. All right, guys. Yes. So with that being said, look, I'm keeping my eye on Ethereum right now, guys. Keeping my eye on Ethereum, and right now I'm just going to be DCAing all the way into Ethereum. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to keep DCAing right now. Like I said, I do expect a little bit some dips and everything coming up here in a couple of weeks. But I do think after that, once this thing starts, these ETF starts trading, that I really do think it's Ethereum season, and then it's gonna we're gonna see those huge spikes, and everybody's gonna be able to make some money with Ethereum. But before we get out of here, guys, I got one more thing I want to show you guys that I am keeping my eye on. We're gonna take a look here. Okay, so I'm going to keep my eye on Grayscale Ethereum Trust, guys. So let's see. It's currently trading at $34.97, and I think this is still a discount, because I think eventually, once this thing gets finalized and everything, like we said, we know it's already been approved. Once these ETFs and everything actually start trading, I think this thing is going to skyrocket. I think this is still a discount. With all the institutional money that's going to be flooding into this, it's pretty much a no-brainer to invest in this Grayscale Ethereum Trust. And there's several other other ETFs out there that you can invest in. But I like this one. I think they were kind of like the first to market, so I'm just going to stick with this one and see where that takes us. So keep your eye on this, guys. I'm not telling you what to buy, hold, or sell, or anything like that. You got to make your own decisions. But smart money is going into this Grayscale Ethereum Trust, and so I want to keep my eye on this. Okay. All right, crypto family, man. That's it for this video. Do me a favor, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel if you like the content I'm bringing to you guys. I am going to be uploading some more videos later on today about some altcoins that I'm looking at investing in, some low cap altcoins, guys. I think we're going to take off this alt season, and we're going to get into that later on. I think you guys are going to like that. Okay, so go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Gone.